10 amazing facts about Ravi Dubey. First, Ravi Dubey is a famous Indian television actor, model, and producer. Second, Ravi Dubey was born on 23rd December 1983 in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Third, he completed his schooling at Delhi University, New Delhi, and completed his B.Tech, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Fourth, after beginning his career as a model, Dubey transitioned into acting in 2006 when he was cast as Ravi Agrawal, the co-lead in the DD National television series Stree Teri Kahani. Fifth, later he played the minor character of Veer in the soap opera Doli Sajake on Sahara One. Sixth, after that he made an appearance as the male lead in Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar, playing the part of Ravi. Seventh, Dubey began his Bollywood film career while working on the show. He signed for Arun Govill's 2011 Hindi flick You Are My Jaan. Eighth, Dubey took part in the reality-based comedy series Comedy Circus named Kahani Comedy Circus Ki on Sony Entertainment Television in January 2012. Ninth, in 2013, Dubey also took part in Nach Baliye, Shriman vs. Srimati, another celebrity pair dance reality series. 10th, with the web series Jamai 2.0, a remark of his Zee TV program Jamai Raja, Ravi Dubey made his debut in the digital world alongside Nia Sharma. Subscribe the channel.